Alright, this question reads, an account pays 4% interest compounded monthly. You deposit $6,000 into the account. If you do not deposit or withdraw money from the account, how much will be in the account in 5 years? This is a real life math question, and this is something that you will need to know in life. The equation that you can use to solve this is on your front of your packet, and it says A equals P times 1 plus R over N, all raised to the NT. This is the type of formula that you use when you see the words compounded something. Either if it's compounded monthly, yearly, annually, semi-annually, daily. When you see the words compounded, this is the equation that you should be using. P stands for our principal, or the amount that we're starting with. So this 6,000 represents our principal. The rate is 4%, but you know that your rate cannot be written as a percent. It has to be written as a decimal, so just move this over 2 spaces to the left, so your rate would be 0.04. The N stands for how many times a year are you going to be applying this interest? Well, since it's monthly, we know that there are 12 months in a year, so that means that N equals 12. And we're going to raise this to the 12 times how many years we are compounding this, which is 5. So if you ever thinking about buying a car, you'll notice that the car loans are given to you in months. It'll say a 60-month, a 36-month, and what they're doing is converting years into months. So if you're getting a car and your loan is for 60 months, it's really a 5-year loan. So that's what we're doing here. We're converting our years into months. Now you can put this all in your calculator, and you can put everything in your calculator, including the power, but just making sure that your power is in parentheses. Also make sure that you use your caret button in your calculator for the power. And when you do that, you find out that after 5 years, you'll have $7,325.98. Now your calculator is going to read 976. Always make sure that for money, you have 2 decimal places. Everything else on this packet is probably going to require 3 decimal places except for money. So make sure that you round it to 2 decimal places.